If you've archived chats in WhatsApp and can't find them, this quick video will show you exactly where archived chats are and how to unarchive them. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. You'll see the Chats screen with all your active conversations. At the top, tap on Archived. This is where all your archived chats are stored. To archive a chat, go back to your main chat list and long press on any chat. Then tap the Archive icon at the top. The chat will be hidden from your main list, but not deleted. To unarchive a chat, open the Archived section, long press on the chat you want to bring back, and tap the Unarchive icon. The chat will instantly move back to your main chat list. Archived chats keep all your messages and media, so nothing is deleted. If you want to archive all chats at once, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with more options. From the menu, select Settings. On the Settings page, tap on Chats. In the chat settings, you'll see an option called Archive Chats. Turn it on to archive all your chats at once. That's how to find, archive, and unarchive chats in WhatsApp. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.